Hey friends, what's going on? That's your boy The Future with another video. So today I'm changing the starter for this BMW 2015 535 XI exit drive. So far I take the plastic cover out of here, which is just this piece right here, and then I take the turbo filter, which is just right here. I have to next take this manifold off. Basically the starter is, you can't really see it, but it's way down there. So stay tuned guys, I'm about to show you step by step. Yeah, it's a beautiful car, you know. A customer had it, starter was really weak, and then end up just dying on him. So that's the extra drive. So stay tuned guys, I'm gonna see you in another shot. Hey guys, it's part two. So far what I did, I take two screws was out of here so I can have, you know, these can move freely. What I'm trying to do really, get the wires out of the way. And let me get the flashlight down here. As you see, this right here is connected to the manifold. I'm not, you know, using both hands. Right here, this screw and that screw right here, and there is also 4 of these, one right here and 2 at the bottom. So what I'm trying to do first, you know, release the bottom ones, and then I'm gonna take these screw right here, like that one right here, and there's like every slide there is one. First off, I'm trying to get the wires out of the way, cables and stuff, because that's the most thing you want to do. You want to make sure nothing that got caught up, nothing got loosened. So yeah, as you're doing this, really you have to be careful, take your time, no hurry. I'm gonna see you in another shot. So as you see, I got the manifold out, but this manifold actually was attached to this right here, and this got all the wires on it. I couldn't get it out. The wires where the manifold was there. You got 4 of these screws that are holding it, and then 2 small ones. It was holding on this manifold right here, as you see. Now what I'm trying to do is disconnect the wires from this, and the starter is right there finally. And I got this unclamped from here, and this was 4 screws as I showed to you in the second part. So I see you in the third part. So here's the starter, it's finally out. It was 2 screws only holding it. That one from the outside, and the long one, it was actually from the inside. That's where it was sitting. Just got it out. So yeah guys, stay tuned. When I put it back together, I'm about to film everything too, so you guys see. I'm not gonna say it was an easy job, and at the same time, I'm not gonna say it was a hard job. You know, you could do it, yeah, obviously. If you wanna do it at home, yes, you could do it. And the tool that I use really is 8mm, and I use a 10mm, 11mm, and I use this right here, what's that? T25 right here. You're gonna need this right here. Obviously you're gonna need some extension, a screwdriver. I have 13mm right here. I use and for the starter, what I open it with, this right here, E12. That's what you need, E12 USA. Other than that, I'm just ready for the new starter to arrive, and I'm about to put it back together. Thank you guys for watching. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any question, comment down below. I definitely would love to help you out. The only really issue I have with a lot of wires and stuff, you know, is just, you gotta be careful, you know, you don't damage any wire or anything like that. I end up unplugging 3 wires from here, and I write them down 1, 2, 3, so I know where they go. I didn't want to take it all the way out of there. I mean, it's not bothering me. Like I said, guys, stay tuned. When I get the new starter, I'm gonna start to put it back together and then show you how I get it done. Thank you. So yeah, guys, I just got the new starter right here. About to start putting it back. I'm just gonna let the video run right here so you guys kind of see exactly what's going on. So I'm just gonna move this right here out of the way a bit. Trying to squeeze this really in. Okay, that looks like it's in. So this little one go from the outside. Kind of gotta wiggle it, you know, to got the screw going. You really don't have to tighten it all the way, you just gotta leave it, you know, until you put the other second screw. That one is the big one that go from behind. You don't want it to go in rough, you want it to go in easy. Really, that's what I'm trying to do, you know. I already got it in, but it was rough. It's kind of tight in there, you know, but you get trying to work your best, you know, to get it going. So I got it already there. Now I'm gonna try to put the first screw. So here's these four. I take off. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I still have 2 little ones left. I'm gonna tie these first and then start with the other ones. It's hard really to have this camera sitting over here. at the same time doing this work. But I'm gonna try my best. This is gonna be a little loud because I'm trying to try it with the air. I'm gonna try to do it right now, just make sure they're all tight. Not too much pressure, really, like barely, like put any pressure. Here's the two little one. One go right here, and the other one on the opposite side. Right there.